How can I troubleshoot my Ring device when it's offline?
Hello everyone. Today, we're going to tackle an important topic: what to do when your Ring device goes offline. It can be frustrating when you can't access your device, but don't worry, we're here to guide you step by step to get your device back online.
Is your Ring device really offline?
Before proceeding, we need to verify if the device is truly offline. Check your Ring app and see if you're receiving an offline status message. If so, your device is indeed offline. But if you can't ascertain, you can try to live view or activate a test event to confirm.
Check your internet connection.
A common cause of Ring devices going offline is internet connectivity issues. First, check if other devices in your house can connect to your Wi-Fi. If not, restart your router modem by unplugging it for a minute, then plugging it back in. Wait for a few minutes for the network to be restored and check if your Ring device reconnects.
Verify device's power source.
Another potential issue could be the power source of your Ring device. For battery-operated Ring devices, make sure that the battery is adequately charged. If it's a hardwired device, ensure it's properly connected to the power source.
Reboot your Ring device.
If the internet connection and power source are both in order, the next step is to reboot your Ring device. To do this, you'll have to remove the device's power source, unplug or remove the battery, for about a minute, and then restore the power.
Reconnect your Ring device to Wi-Fi.
If your Ring device is still offline after rebooting, you can try reconnecting it to your Wi-Fi. Open your Ring app, navigate to Device Health, and then select Change Wi-Fi Network. Follow the instructions on the screen to reconnect your device to your Wi-Fi network. Troubleshooting your offline Ring device may seem daunting at first, but with these simple steps, you should be able to reconnect your device. Remember, patience is key when troubleshooting any device. If you've followed these steps and your device is still offline, it may be time to contact Ring support for further assistance. We hope this video has been helpful to you. Happy troubleshooting!